Will the market crash? David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video we are going to discuss whether I believe the stock market will crash. Stay tuned. Recently, since mid-September, the stock market has experienced a large increase in the daily intraday trading range. Additionally, there has been an increase in the volatility index from around 15 or 16 to the mid-20s. In my opinion, I believe that the stock market is going to experience a grind down market. I do not believe that it's going to crash. And the reason is that we have not experienced a large spike in the volatility indices. Both the VIX and the VVIX have been relatively tame in their increase. During a large sell-off, it is not uncommon to see the VIX increase from about 15 to 35 or 40. However, right now, the VIX is trading in the low to mid 20s. As a result, I believe that the stock market will decrease in value, but it'll be relatively slow in that it'll be a grind down market as opposed to a full-on crash. So, what can you do to profit and take advantage of this market? What I'm doing is I'm selling call options. And one of the primary reasons for that is that call options, even though they tend to get challenged more frequently than put options, they are much easier to manage and roll the trade. The market does not crash up. Instead, it does have a tendency to crash down. As a result, even if your call options do get challenged, it's pretty easy for you to manage and roll those positions until they're profitable. Additionally, I would recommend that if you're going to sell put options, and you would choose strikes that are further out of the money, and I would recommend that you only sell put options on high quality liquid underlyings that you perceive are oversold at that specific time. And probably the most important aspect is to make sure that you stay small and that you do not try to guess the bottom. During a sell-off or a large volatility expansion event, the worst thing that you can be is too early. It's better to be too late and to miss a trade than it is to be too early. Remember, in the stock market, you are rewarded for making good decisions. You are not rewarded for taking action. So if you see the stock market selling off, that doesn't necessarily mean that you should jump in and use a significant amount of your buying power right now. Instead, it would be more prudent to wait for the market to stabilize and to not try to guess the bottom. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. If you implement these strategies, then you should be able to outperform the market by about 2 to 3% every single month. Option sellers who are very disciplined and patient are able to achieve significant alpha during grind down markets. So I hope that you put these quick tips to use, and I hope that you're able to utilize them to outperform the market, protect your portfolio, and also realize large profits.